In this video I explain you how to install and use MetaMask. MetaMask is required to claim, stake or transfer Hex. After watching and installing, you are ready to interact with smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Hello, welcome to my Hex staking channel on YouTube. I am your host CryptoFace. Before I show you the 4 easy steps to install MetaMask extension and create a MetaMask wallet, a brief introduction to Hex and why you need MetaMask. Hex is an ERC20 token built on a smart contract. It doesn't run on its own blockchain, it is built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. To claim Hex with Bitcoins or to transfer Ethereum into Hex, you need to interact with the smart contract. The same for staking Hex or making a transfer to a different address. To do this, you need to sign a transaction with a compatible wallet. The most frequently used is MetaMask. MetaMask is a browser add-on. You can install it for Chrome, Firefox, Opera and Brave browsers. Beta versions of iOS and Android are also available. There are other possibilities as well, but Richard Hart prefers and is recommending MetaMask. I am using it myself without any problems. MetaMask supports Trezor and Ledger hardware wallets. I strongly recommend to connect with your preferred hardware wallet to MetaMask. You can sign all transactions with confidence, your secret keys are never leaving your device. So, what are the 4 easy steps for a quick install, you ask now? Step 1, go to the MetaMask website at metamask.io. Step 2, choose your browser. We use Chrome as an example and click on Get Chrome Extension. Step 3, click Add to Chrome in the upper right corner. Finally, Step 4, click Add Extension to complete the installation. MetaMask has been properly installed when you see the Fox logo on the upper right corner of your browser. Now that the extension is installed in your browser, what is the next step? Your first task on MetaMask is to create a wallet or vault as MetaMask calls it. This step will create an Ethereum address and a wallet. As Hex is an ERC20 token, it can be stored at any Ethereum address. To do this, I show you now the 5 steps. I use again Chrome browser as reference. Act accordingly on the browser you are using. Step 1, click on the MetaMask logo, the fox, in the upper right corner of your browser. Step 2, read the terms and conditions and agree to it. Step 3, enter a secure, memorable password, caps, numbers, special characters, and click Create. Step 4, next you will see a set of 12 seed words for your wallet. Click Save Seed Words as File. Copy the downloaded seed words file to a safe place. You will need them in the next step to insert them again to confirm your wallet. Step 5, insert your seed words in the received sequence. Click Confirm and your new MetaMask wallet is created. Congratulations, you are now ready to claim, stake or transfer Hex. I show you now a less than 2-minute video from Richard Hart, where he goes through above steps.
Here's how you can set up a wallet for Hex. Open your browser, type metamask.io, hit enter. In this case, click Get Chrome Extension, because we're using Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Wait for it to download and install. Now that it's installed, click Get Started. Let's make a new wallet. Create a wallet. Click. I don't like sharing data. I click no thanks. You should choose a strong password. I'm choosing a weak one because this is just a demo. Now, if you click this box, these are your secret words. Since these are public now, these are useless to anybody to use. We're going to save them into a notepad document so that we can put them in the next screen. Click Next. Twist fossil about drink. Twist fossil about drink. Unaware smile cause caught. Unaware smile cause caught. Forest expose key physical. Forest expose key physical. You shouldn't read these out loud. I'm just making it easy for you guys. Click confirm. And that's it. You're done. You now have a wallet that works for Hex and is also an Ethereum wallet. You can click copy here and get your address and take a look at it. There's your address. Congratulations.
Finally, I want to say thank you to the Hex community, especially the creators of hexstat.com and hexinfo.io. The screenshots I used in this video are from their website. I highly recommend you check it out. Do you feel generous today? Remember, you will get 10% more Hex, should you wish to click my referral link before you claim for free with Bitcoins or transform Ethereum into Hex. That's about it for today. Thank you for watching and happy staking.